Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new app that pays you to do nothing. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this app. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to the app and show you how you can get this money. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm in the Apple App Store and I pulled up this app, and the name of the app is Cash for Steps. So that's all you're going to do, guys. You're going to make cash just walking. So let's look at some screenshots here. So it's going to track your progress. And as you can see here, it's going to show your today's results, and you'll be able to find friends that have this app. And it's going to show your daily check-in and days using the app. Now let's go to the next screenshot. So this one says get daily bonuses. So it's going to show your daily bonuses right here. And the daily bonus is, here's one daily bonus. Daily check-in, you're going to get 100 plus points. Special offer, you're going to get 125 points. Redeem bonus, you're going to get 100. Random bonus, you're going to get 150 points. Share it on Facebook, 250 points. Like, if you like their page, that's 250 points. And if you share it on Twitter, 250 points. So guys, this is very simple. This is stuff that you do every day. This is no work. This is stuff that you do on social media every day. And you walk every day too. Now let's go to the next screenshot. So, contest and make money. Now, they have a leaderboard here, guys. Now, you have to get on the leaderboard. When you are in the top 200, then you can get paid. So as you can see here, this person that's on top, they got 15,714 points. And that's just all from walking and doing the daily check-ins and sharing it on Facebook. You can get that easily, guys, especially if you like to walk. Guys, you're going to get that type of points real fast. And you'll be able to get on the leaderboard and get this money. Plus, they're going to have contests. They're going to be randomly picking people, and you can win even more money. Now, this is how the daily check-in look. So, complete achievements and make cash. So, one of the achievements is daily check-in. And let's go to the next one. So, track your activity. This guy, the graph is going to look, and that's how they're going to be tracking your activity. And shows right here, steps recorded. Let's go to the next one. Find new people. So you'll be able to find new people you can conversate with and probably walk together too. You'll be able to chat with friends. So not only just going to be walking, you'll be able to go in here and chat with people inside the app. And then last but not least, withdraw that cash. So once you be able to get enough points to get in the top 200, you can come here to the withdraw section on the app and withdraw that money for Amazon gift card or PayPal cash. So let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 4.5. Wow. Halfway to 5, guys. So you know this is a good app, because I always say anything over 4 is a very, very good app. Now let's just read one of the reviews. So this person right here says, not a fake review. This app is pretty cool. This app, unlike other money for doing other stuff apps, gives you plain and simple what you need to do in order to get a reward. So this person likes this app, and they said this is a legit app, not like those other apps that say we do this and pay you this and they don't really pay you. So that's all I'm gonna say about this app. This is a brand new app, guys. You need to jump on it before too many people start using it. And you can easily get in the top 200 because not that many people using it right now because it's brand new. So go ahead and go to the Apple Store and download Cash for Steps. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this app. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. It's time to become your own boss, guys. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, let me tell you about the special bonus. So all I want you to do is type this that's going to pop up on the screen right now. Type it down in your comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. So type that down in the comments below right now. Okay guys, thanks again for all your support. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and do another shout out today. So I'm gonna flash the comment on the screen right now. Thank you. Thank you for your comment, and thank you for watching my video. And please subscribe if you haven't. Now, if you want to get your comment shown in my video so you can get a shout out, please drop a creative comment down in the comments below. Okay guys, one other announcement here. I started a membership, and with this membership you're going to receive some special perks, guys, that none of the subscribers will get. Only you will get these perks if you join this membership. And all you do is hit this join button right here, and I'll show you how it looks. So right here, it's only $1.99 a month, guys. And what you look what you're gonna get. You're gonna get a loyalty badge, and you're gonna get custom emojis, and you'll get shout outs twice a week, and your comments will be priority. So with anything you need to ask me, it's gonna be top priority for me to answer those questions in the comments. And guys, I have another one. This is the Grind Family Pro, and it's only $4.99 a month. And check out what you get. Early access to my new videos, member shoutouts, coaching and mentoring, and members only live streams. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can make this money online one-on-one. So I'm a coach you and mentor you guys. So come check out this membership and start getting these special perks. Okay guys, thanks again. Really appreciate you guys' support. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and always have a prosperous day.